Okay, we're here. I'll be showing you the room tour. We are staying at 802. Oh, 803. 803. Let's have a look. Ching ching.
Oh, lovely.
Alright.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
welcome to our room
Oh, very nice.
for the night. So that's your vanity.
Very nice.
Okay. Oh,
Very nice.
I thought it's a mirror.
No.
There's no mirror there.
Look at it.
So you're basically looking over the room. That's your mirror, I guess. Okay. That's the shower. Shower. Looks brand new. Very nice. Where you take your crap. Okay. Oh, there's the mirror. Hey, that's me. How are you? Happy New Year. Okay. And there's another one here. Okay. Why is there a letter P in there? Oh, it's like a parking. Okay, so they have complimentary stuff. Water. I wonder what that is. What? What's this? No idea what it is. Oh, it's alcohol. All right. So that's your drinks. What do we have here? Okay. What's the fridge? Oh, there's the fridge. Okay. That's the bed. Oh, what do we have here, Mom? Oh, they have a tablet. Yeah, Mom? Okay. Yep, that's the window wall-less toilet. Alright, that's the closet. That's the closet. Alright. There's Mami Shanga. They have an LG plasma here. This is about 52 inch, I think. Same as at home. Oh, nice lights. Yarra River City, Swanston Street, Old Melbourne Road. Okay, let's see what's in the view. That's Melbourne. Oh, we're very near the shopping center. Okay. Okay, so there you have it, folks. And today is the 4th of Jan. Later, we'll upload straight away.